Welcome to Airborne Defender channel. On this video, we will witness about the U.S. Army robot dog toughness test in combat operations. The United States Army, U.S. Army, is one of the main branches of the U.S. Armed Forces, tasked with protecting and defending the country, as well as supporting foreign policy. With a complex structure and diverse units, the Army has a wide range of missions, ranging from combat operations to humanitarian assistance. One of the latest innovations in combat operations is the testing of dog robots, designed to increase the effectiveness and safety of troops. This dog robot, like Spot from Boston Dynamics, is equipped with advanced technologies such as sensors, cameras, and autonomous navigation capabilities. They can be used for a variety of tasks, including reconnaissance, transportation, and even support search and rescue missions. Testing of the dog robot is carried out in various combat scenarios to evaluate its endurance, reliability, and capabilities in challenging situations. Here are some important aspects of such testing. Robots are tested in extreme environmental conditions, including rocky terrain, slippery surfaces, and inclement weather, to ensure they can operate in a variety of conditions. In addition, trials were conducted to evaluate the robot's ability to navigate complex battlefields. These include obstacle avoidance, the ability to move autonomously, and adapt to changing situations. The most important part of this test is that the robot dogs are equipped with cameras and sensors that allow them to collect intelligence in real time. These tests involve reconnaissance missions to measure their effectiveness in identifying threats. Another very important point is to test how these robots interact with Army personnel. It includes the ability to follow orders, work together in teams, and adapt to tactics used by human forces.
Alright, so that's our max range right now. Which I think that's pretty good.
For security and protection, these dog robots are also tested to measure how far they can protect troops from threats. They can be equipped with equipment for the detection of explosives or other weapons. The results of these tests are expected to provide valuable insights into how robotic dogs can be integrated into Army tactics and strategy. By constantly developing this technology, the U.S. Army seeks to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of combat missions while protecting their personnel from greater risks. This innovation demonstrates a step forward in the application of modern technologies in military operations. And with further progress, robotic dogs can become an integral part of the combat forces of the future. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next video.